For the PVC hip hinge, place the PVC along your back and make sure you have 3 points of contact: your head, between your shoulder blades, and the small of your lower back. Keeping a small bend in your knees, hinge at your hips and bend forward at your waist. You can imagine you're pushing a car door shut with your butt. Make sure the PVC does not come off your lower back as you hinge forward, as that indicates you're rounding your lower back. Another common error is bending down at the knees, which is more of a squatting pattern than a true hip hinge pattern.